Prophet's marriage with Aisha was customarily and ethically all right. She was married at 6, but not wedded before she attained puberty. So nothing immoral happened. Blamers are wrong and punishable. Early marriage was very customary throughout the world in ancient times. Arabians were no exceptions. It was a matter of honor for families to get their daughters married before they reached the age of their first menstruation. People proposed to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu for the hands of Hazrat Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha. Much more effort the Prophet did so. Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu was one of the suitors. For the ancient people, marriage was not equal to sex. They would marry the minor girls and used to wait up to the time of their puberty for engaging in sex. The same case happened to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha. Marriage took place when she was a girl of 6, and they were wedded after her recovery from the first illness of the first menstruation. There is no cause of blame game in it, and no logic for calling Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam a pedophile is there. Blamers are wrong. They should rather be punished.